Welcome to this informative video. In this video we'll explore how inflation can erode the purchasing power of your savings and investments. So let's get started. In today's times, retiring with a corpus of 1 crore rupees might seem substantial, as it can easily fulfill various retirement goals such as purchasing a house, funding a child's education, or covering the expenses of a child's marriage. However, have you ever considered whether this amount will be sufficient if you retire after 10, 20, or 30 years? The reality is that inflation erodes the value of money over time, and what seems like a significant amount today may not be enough to meet your post-retirement needs in the future. In this video we'll explore how inflation gradually diminishes the purchasing power of your savings, highlighting the importance of long-term financial planning. How does inflation erode the value of money? Having 1 crore rupees in your bank account seems large today, but it might not be enough to meet your future financial requirements. This is because the value of money decreases over time due to inflation. For instance, if a car costs 10 lakh rupees today, it will likely cost much more in 15 years. To understand this better, think about how much you used to spend on groceries or rent 10 or 15 years ago compared to now. The difference shows how inflation erodes the value of money. So, even if 1 crore rupees seems big now, it might not be sufficient in the future. What will be the value of 1 crore rupees after 10, 20 or 30 years? Assuming a 6% inflation rate, the value of 1 crore rupees will diminish to 55.84 lakh rupees. This shows the impact of inflation on long-term savings and investments. Looking further ahead, after 20 years, the value of 1 crore rupees will shrink to around 31.18 lakh rupees, factoring in 6% inflation. Finally, after 30 years, 1 crore rupees will be worth approximately 17.41 lakh rupees in today's terms. In summary, the decline in the value of the rupee over the medium to long term highlights the importance of careful retirement planning. We often plan our finances based on today's purchasing power, but this will steadily decrease over time. Additionally, if an investment product offers a 6% return, you're not actually gaining anything, as inflation at 6% effectively cancels out your returns.